Welcome to LiveCycle Designer Tutorials, Forum Edition. In this episode, we are going to look at a forum entry where a user is asking to use an OR condition in a switch statement. He's wanting to use this within a drop-down list to make changes to his form. Now, as I explained in the forum, you can't exactly use an OR statement or an OR condition in a switch statement, but you can use fall through to complete something that's logically equivalent. So I've gone ahead and created a drop-down list with options A, B, C, and D. And in our switch statement, we're going to look at the raw value of of the drop-down. So for cases A and B, we're going to have a result. In cases C and D, we'll have a result. So case A, and then we're going to drop straight into case B. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with switch statements, in a switch statement, you are allowed to give multiple options for the same variable. In this case, we're using this.raw value, the string value of our drop-down list. And the different options are A, B, C, and D because we've chosen that. What we'll do is by not putting a break statement or break command in between each case, we're allowing the switch statement to fall from case A to case B. So what we're going to do, just to make it very obvious that we've done something, we're going to change the fill color of our background for our form if this works. The break command in a switch statement breaks the switch statement and tells it stop looking for more cases because we've reached the point that we want to be at. We'll name like this 204. Now, I don't remember what these colors actually are. I'm sure there's some kind of pastel or something that I picked at some point to stand out. Every switch statement also needs, in this case it would not technically need a default because we know how we have set the drop-down list. We know that it is required that the user pick something from our list. But just in case something could possibly happen where the user ends up managing to get into the drop-down and not select something, we're going to give it a default anyway, just to break the switch statement. Okay, so our switch statement is complete. We have case A or B will change the background to this color, and case C or D will change to this color, and then default doesn't do anything. So let's preview our form. And we're going to choose A. We've changed to a green. B is the same because we've had that OR option, that basically logical OR, where either A or B gives us this result. And then C and D give us this magenta color. And of course we can switch back between the other two that we didn't initially select just to show that it for sure works. But we've used a switch statement here to tell our form that we want to change color based on some results, whatever they might be. If you have any questions about what I've done today, please feel free to leave a comment. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you are interested in knowing when future videos are released, be sure to subscribe.